This is one of the most ridiculous things I've ever done. We're here at Burger and Lobster in London's Soho, and I'm going to try their seafood experience where you get seafood served to you inside a bed. You get king crab, you get oysters, you get lobster, some of which I've never even tried before, so I'm really excited to get going and see what it's like. It's supposed to be a shared experience, but it's just lonely old me today. I'm hoping that the experience will still live up to its expectations.
We wanted to celebrate all the amazing ingredients that we use at Burger and Lobster. So fresh, wild lobster, prime cut burgers, the amazing oysters that we serve, amongst all of the other things that we do. We wanted to celebrate that in a really kind of premium way. So what better way than putting a king-size four-poster bed in the restaurant.
This is one of the most ridiculous things I've ever done. So that's the first oyster I've ever had. Interesting texture. I've heard like mixed things in the past. I'm not sure it's something that personally I'd rush back to, but I'm glad I've tried it. How do you even eat a king crab leg? I've never done this in my life. That tastes so fresh and it's so meaty compared to like a normal crab. The burger itself is actually the star of the show though. I don't think the caviar like steals too much of the focus away. It just makes it, you get like a little bit of salt and a little bit of kind of like pop at the top, which is really, really good. All the food is amazing, barring maybe the oysters. I'm not sure they're for me, but it all tastes great. Everything in its own right is really good. The experience as well, it's just a bit of fun. You kind of get to come in here, there's like people just around you in the restaurant, they're kind of looking on and being like, whoa, what's going on over there? Yeah, I think it's a really fun experience, worth a try.